Good evening, this is Bizworld. The government has approved 128 ICT and Digitisation projects involving 3.8 billion ringgit and another allocation of 538.7 million ringgit under the 2021 budget. The approved projects include the development of cybersecurity systems, infrastructure and software, and digital government competency training. Government expects 80% of its end-to-end public service delivery to be conducted online by 2025.
Sehingga 31 Julai 2021, pencapaian perkhidmatan E2E bagi sektor awam adalah sebanyak 57.02%. Sebagai pendekatan untuk memberi nilai tambah dan memperkasakan lagi penyampaian perkhidmatan kepada pelanggan dan meningkatkan kecekapan tabik urus dalaman agensi, kerajaan telah bersetuju untuk menetapkan pertambahan 5% daripada perkhidmatan E2E semasa sebagai indeks prestasi utama ataupun KPI 2021 Tier 1 kepada pejabat utama perkhidmatan awam.
He was speaking at the launching ceremony of the Digital Public Service Summit 2021 held earlier today. At the event, the Public Sector Digitalisation Strategic 5-Year Plan was also launched, which outlines the implementation as a guide for the civil service. Meanwhile, the government has accelerated the 5G technology implementation to the fourth quarter this year versus next year in the initial plan. It will be implemented at chosen locations in high-density populated areas by 2023. S&P Global Ratings has lowered its growth forecast for Malaysia to 3.2% in 2021 from 4.1%. It said the strong international trade is providing a sizable buffer for growth this year, but domestic demand is looking much weaker. In a statement, the rating agency noted that deeper downturn has cut activity in the services sector and is resulting in considerable job losses. However, Malaysia now has a relatively high vaccination coverage, with about 52% of the population having received at least one dose. As such, this will enable a gradual reopening of the economy over the next several months. Moving forward, S&P projects Malaysia's economy to grow 6% next year, 5.2% in 2023, and 4.6% in 2024. TNB is offering a special incentive to encourage commercial customers to light up their buildings and surrounding areas with decorative lighting in conjunction with this year's 64th Merdeka Day. It is offered to all customers under the commercial tariffs who have been in operation for at least 1 year for the 2-month period of August and September. This includes commercial customers such as skyscrapers, office buildings, commercial complexes, shopping complexes, hotels, and petrol stations. The incentive rate of 20.8 cent kilowatt hour is given for any amount of increase in electricity consumption exceeding the average usage in 3 months taken from May, June, and July. The promotion, which begins from August 1st until September 15th, will be reflected in the October bill, denoted as Carnival Discount. Home improvement retailer Mr. DIY Group expects strong buying demand from customers would remain intact, especially with the reopening of more economic sectors. It is also confident of achieving its target to open 175 stores nationwide this year, despite the COVID-19 pandemic.
From our perspective, there's a lot of room to go. And certainly the data for us would suggest, and the payback periods, the economic model on a unit basis, all suggest to us that, there is sufficient and, ample room for growth.
Speaking at the virtual MIDF Conversation series today, Ong said independent market data suggests improvement in supply and demand within the retail sector in the next 5 years till 2025. He added that the market has historically grown at double digits and is expected to continue to grow at that pace moving forward. The group is also on track to complete the year with over 100 million transactions, 3 times the population of the country. And that's all for Bizworld. I'm Raymond. Thanks for watching and keep tuning in to TV3.